Hi there, students. ASMR. Okay, this is an acronym. This is a noun. I think it's probably uncountable. Okay, an acronym means the first letter of each word is represented in the name. So A, autonomous. S, sensory. M, meridian. R, response. So, what is it? Well, this is, I think, like a frisson. A frisson is the closest word I think I can get to it. It's like this tingling sensation that normally begins in your scalp. If I get it, it probably starts here and then goes up and down my spine. And it's a pleasant tingling. Yeah. It can also be defined as some sort of low-grade euphoria, that it's a good feeling, a combination of positive feelings, and like there's static electricity on your skin. Let's see, this can be caused by normally by either auditory or visual things. And yeah, there are a whole genre of videos about ASMR. Let's see. Many people say that ASMR helps them to sleep and other things like that. So let's look at it. A, autonomous. So autonomous means it happens on its own. This is not something that we can actually control. Sensory, related to the senses. M, meridian. So this is talking about the high point. It's the high point of this feeling. And then R, response. So it's something that happens automatically and there's a high point to it and then it goes down. I think some people say that it feels a bit like somebody gently shampooing your hair, but it can be stimulated by a soft-spoken voice. I've had comments saying that my voice sounds rather ASMR. If it's true or not, I don't know. But it can be triggered by or initiated by noises or by various visual stimuluses. And they say that afterwards you feel more relaxed. Okay, so ASMR, it's like an automatic response from the body. Yeah, it's been called all sorts of other things. I've heard it called a head orgasm as well. But it's like a relaxing feeling, or yeah. Some people have described ASMR as being like a mild electric current. And if you look in YouTube, there are hundreds of videos designed to trigger ASMR. I think some people are much more susceptible to ASMR than others. Yeah. And ASMR is a subject that, well, it seems to be getting more and more popular. Okay, so ASMR, autonomous sensory meridian response. Yeah, a brain massage is also been called. Okay, so ASMR, autonomous sensory median response. Well, all the words together don't sound so good. Yeah, I think ASMR sounds much better. So, well, I hope this video in itself works as an ASMR video for you. I hope it relaxes you. Yeah. If somebody's got a relaxing voice, you get this sudden feeling. So it's like this tingling sensation that comes down you. Let's see. Some people say it's good for depression, for anxiety, for insomnia, for various other things. Formality, ASMR. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use anywhere. And then as to origin, I think this may have been coined by various people, maybe Jennifer Allen, but it's quite a new word, a new phrase. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. ASMR.